Hi, I am Ahmad Rahman, and today I'm going to be explaining about our project Adaptive Cruise Control using Arduino hardware in Matlab environment. We have used breadboard and Arduino hardware to connect all of our required components. The components that we used in here were the Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, one ultrasonic sensor, some push buttons to control our speeds, some resistors to go along with it, and one 4-digit 7-segment display, and wires to connect all the necessary components. Now for the 7-segment display, so there were 12 pins in which we have connected as per this schematic. So for the segments A till G, we have connected to the digital pins as mentioned here, and since this is the common cathode 4-digit 7-segment display, so we have grounded the digit number 4 and digit number 3, these two ones, and we have also connected them to digital number 6 and 9. This is the ultrasonic sensor in which we have connected digital number 12 and digital number 9 as mentioned in this diagram, and we have grounded the pin number 4 and gave 5 volt voltage to the pin number 1. The 5 buttons that we will be using would be the speed increase button, which is the button number 1, and we have connected it to A0. Similarly, for speed decrease, the second button we have connected it to A1. For the cruise control, the regular cruise control, we have connected it with A2, and this is button number 3. For button number 4, we have set the command as cancel, and the button is connected to A3. And the fifth one is the adaptive cruise control button, which we have connected to A4.
Hi, this is Ahmad again. Just to show you guys how the project is looking. So we have our environment here in Matlab. So before we proceed, the first thing you have to do is to get the Arduino module installed. So you have to go there, click on add-ons, get add-ons, search for Arduino hardware here. I'm not sure what it's called, Arduino hardware. Yep. Yeah, you just need to install it. It shouldn't take much time. The other thing you have to make sure is that you in your code make sure you are using the right name to identify your hardware. So you can simply go to device manager and check the port number here. So as you can see, I have COM5 here as my Arduino board, so I'm going to write COM5 in my programming as well. So you have to change it accordingly. And just to give you an overlook of how our code looks. So alright, let's try to run this code. Okay, it's loading. Okay, perfect. So now it has started. So as you can see, this is our Arduino module along with all the necessary components installed. I've already discussed about how each button works, so let's increase the speed. So as you can see in the LEDs, you won't be able to see properly because of the refresh rate, but still you can get an idea. So I clicked the increase button, it was increasing, and now I have set the speed. So you can see that the speed is set at 11. Let's increase the speed a little bit. Now I've increased the speed to 14. During this setting of cruise control, our speed will stay the same unless we manually increase it or decrease it using those buttons. As you can see, now the speed is set at 12. Alright, let's cancel the cruise control. As you can see, gradually over time it would decrease unless it comes to 0. Let's increase the speed a little bit, set the cruise control, and now let's go towards the adaptive cruise control option. So currently our mode was set as set speed, which is the normal cruise control, and our speed will stay the same. However, with this mode, the adaptive cruise control mode, we are actually using an ultrasonic sensor to detect any obstacles or any object in front of it. We have set the range to 0.3, basically 30 centimeters. So any object that is right up there is going to be detected by our sensor, and the speed is going to decrease. have used LEDs to indicate the mode as well, just to have a visual if the ultrasonic sensor was working or not. And as you can see, our speed was set to 13, and it will stay the same unless there is an obstacle in front of it, then it will try to decrease, and so on. Now you can see here there is a ThingSpeak counter. So basically what we have used here is an online platform where the recorded values are being sent in real time, and we have a graph to visualize the speed as well. So currently our speed is set as 13. As you can see, the last update was at 13, and hopefully we can see a real-time update there as well. Yep, there it is, the latest update. So our code sends out data to this ThingSpeak platform every 20 seconds or so, and as you can see here, our speed was consistently maintained at 13 kilometers per hour because we set our project to the adaptive cruise control mode. And you can see in the third data point as well, there was a decrease in speed. That is because I added an obstacle in front of the ultrasonic sensor, and as soon as I removed that, it increased it back to 13 kilometers per hour again. So yeah, that pretty much sums up our project. Let me know if you have any questions or queries with your code. Thank you so much for watching.